there are many aspects that one can talk about. One is the basic biochemical, pharmacological, scientific aspect of the whole problem. Here we have a new neurotransmitter, a group of compounds that do a huge amount of, have a huge amount of tasks. If we look at related, chemically related compounds, I made a list of that, these compounds are involved in almost all physiological reactions. There are so many of them that I think that here there is so much work to be done by scientists over the next 20, 30, 40 years. A lot of those compounds are around. Some of them bind to the cannabinoid receptors. Others are just chemically related and bind to other receptors, are involved in many, many other things. And as I mentioned before, those that bind to the CB2 receptors are part of a general protective facility, if you wish, in our body, like the immune system. So that's the basic thing. Then there is the medical thing. We have to find out how we can use them and what are the diseases we can use these compounds against. And there is a huge number of diseases that can be used again. In certain types of cancer, a lot of inflammatory diseases, head traumas, things that I just spoke about, diabetes and so on. So there are many things that can be improved. The bone, for example, we just found, I had the results last week, that a bone that is broken, in animals in this case, a bone that is broken takes about 30% less time to heal if the animal is given a mixture of CBD and THC, which are essentially the major compounds in marijuana. 30%, that's a lot of, that's something that a lot of people can use. I mean, just almost every young person breaks a bone at some point of his life. So why not? Osteoporosis, things like that. So I believe that in addition to the basic science, we shall learn about in medicine as therapeutic drugs. Drug abuse, I don't think it's a major problem.